The world is changing. The economy is changing. People's attitudes, their values have changed in the last few years. I think there's a growing trend with a younger generation that is becoming more influential and more noisy about what they want to see and how they want to see the world act. So everything is shifting towards this more environmentally focused, sustainable approach to living. We need to improve our energy infrastructure. We need to use our resources better. We need to do better with what we have. How are we going to fix those problems? But you can speak to governments and you can ask for governments to put more money into it, but you can't rely on them to fix everything. So if we've got investors and pension funds and banks and wealth managers with lots and lots of capital and money, and we've got a lot of problems that need to be fixed, well, Impax is trying to sit in the middle and say, okay, let's take that money and let's work out how we can put it to better use and trying to help the environment and the climate issues that we're all witnessing at the moment. When we were looking for new homes for Impax, we had a number of things on our kind of list of criteria that we needed. Professionalism was a word that we used quite a lot. There's a lot of good serviced offices in Dublin, but really the level of professionalism within the Lennox was what really stood out to us. I mean, this is a high quality working environment. Our IT infrastructure is very, very important to us. That was a key part of our conversation with the Lennox team. We put our IT guys in touch with the iconic IT team to make sure that everything that was within the Lennox would meet with our requirements and standards, and it did. And they were very good at kind of holding our hand through that process. And then, post our move in, they helped us with all of the connectivity, which is great because I don't know what end to plug a computer into, so that was quite helpful. We're on a pretty strong growth trajectory and have been for a couple of years now, so the plan is to keep growing. So, we need to continue doing what we're good at and what we're known for, which is putting asset owners' money to use in sustainable technologies and sustainable businesses that are trying to make an impact and make sure that the world is moving in the right direction. My name is Adrian Missen. I'm the country head of Impax Asset Management in Ireland.